sit with me? Can you talk to me? Can you keep me company? I just wanna know, what's your favorite color? Are you a pink person or a red devil?
Alright, I see you call me.
Don't be shy.
Play a phone tag and shit. Call you back. I'm on my way. Strawberries are my favorite kind. Strawberry. And you taste like
We here to rock this off.
And you shade
And you smell like it too.
Strawberries are my favorite kind of fruit. And you taste like it too. Shape like it too.
Just take it back.
Live from being honest. Getting tired of being anonymous. Your thick thighs and your brown eyes don't remind me of a goddess. Believe it's more than physical, even beyond spiritual. You feel like heaven.
And you smell like it too.
You thinking about the back shots, yelling, baby, don't stop.